top-down approach is a bit different. It's where we actually start with the size of the market, and using this size of the market, or the whole market, we are trying to estimate the size of the market we are interested in. As you can guess, this method is very, very useful whenever you are thinking about resegmenting. So you're going for a certain niche, or you're trying to figure out whether it makes sense to do a low-cost version of the product. The segment you are targeting still has to be big enough for the estimation to work and for the whole exercise to make sense. So if you are talking about a very small segment, this method will give you no results. And let's try to do an example so you will have a better understanding how it works. So generally speaking, you start with the whole size of the market. Then you again have to go for some sort of a sample, which will enable you to make educated guess on the structure of the whole market. And then on the basis of the whatever you got from the sample measurement and the whole market, you get the size of the market you are interested in. The example we're going to use will be about science fiction books sold in Poland. So first of all, we know the market. So we know how much is being sold. In the case of Poland, I think it's like 80 million books per year. And then what you have to do is basically go to a shop, which is a representative one. So let's say to the biggest chain of bookstores, where you basically count the faces. By faces, we mean the exposition you see of the books. So if you see one cover, it's one face. So we count the number of the faces of science fiction book, and then of the all books in the shop. And on the basis of this, you get the size of the segment you are interested. Here it is in red. Let's see how it works in Excel. So in Excel, again, we created the small estimation here. So we have the total number of books, 80 million. And then we have the structure of the market. We estimated on the basis of our visits in the shops. You can go to one shops. If you're not sure that the results are representative, you should go to a few more with different sizes. It will give you better results. And on the basis of this, you get the size of the market in terms of numbers of books being sold. And then what you should do is try to estimate the value of the market. So we took the net of average price. It has to be free of VAT. Remember about this. This is a tricky part. And on the basis of this, we estimated this is roughly a little bit below 200 million market value of the whole market. So this is a starting point to think whether you can enter this market or whether you can come with innovative product or disrupt it in any other way.